What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we now waste no time. Today, we are reacting to MoStack, Change on Me. MoStack, Change on Me. Big up yourself, MoStack. At the first, man, react to one of your song them. Don't know what to expect, but the views are climbing on your video, my G. Big up all of the new subscribers, then. Big up everybody that's been active in the comment section. The lighter is still here, as you can see it on my hand. Alright, and the water is still here. Nearly dashed it away, but it's still here. So, guys, before we do anything else, still do this for me, please. Now that is done, let's jump straight into the track and see what to expect. Change on Me. Let's go. Let's go, MoStack.
Hey, yo, broski. Yo, broski. Do me a favor. Feed them man there some slugs and snows like a Frenchman. I don't give a fuck if he's henchman. It's G Foundation, the real Ren 10 gang. I'm back for them. I never turn my back on them.
Yo, man say, yo, feed them boy with some slugs and hey, feed them in a bread jet, bro. Feed them in a dog. You see the big is that Glock that? That Glock like a 17, like a Glock 17 up on the bed beside them gloves still. Nice. Glock them accurate. Them sound sweet like church bell. Let's go.
Yo, this ain't a diss track. Don't let these niggas distract.
This is not a diss track. I want to make it clear. This is not a diss track. Don't make them nigga a diss track, yo. You see me? Put on the lighter. It's about to be fire in here. Let's go.
It's a message, nothing personal, it's not business at the same time. I see my friend turn up, still kingdom like a mop. If I get
This is a message. This is a message. The man I tell you straight from the intro, this is a message. Let's go, man.
a booking, I'll still pull up to your block.
Ah, what is that?
See my friend turn up, still kingdom like a mop. If I get a booking, I'll still pull up to your block.
Friend turn up, him still a kid like a map, you know, map. Yeah, if me get a booking, no matter if me have beef, me still a turn up on your block. Just know that. I'm money me a look. Know yourself, boy. Go ahead, let's go.
Big stacker, looking for you, not lacquer. I hopped off the car, then I hopped on the bike.
Well, on the man, me have to analyze what I go on that video to you, no man. Mr. strapping a man on here, so. So one strap here. So. Obviously, MoStack have him strapping in him thing, you see me? So the dogs them out. The man say, alright, basically, him up out time car and jump on a bicycle, you see me? You know, say, quick movements. Let's go.
I couldn't find no option, I circled twice. I told you do your research and you didn't revise. You see me on the gram and they think I'm lost.
Man, them circle black twice and couldn't find no up. You see me? Do your research, brother. Do your research. That one man I tell a dog. If me they catch one now, no, and I get pellet, and I get slug. You see me? Yeah.
I'm traumatized, I got a lot of pain on me. Tried to sell jeans, I ain't got chains on me.
Hold on, the man. Me no want miss nothing, no man. Don't let me headphone them. Oh, look at me, can't hear what I go on, so.
Do your research and you didn't revise. You see me on the gram and they think I'm lost.
Do your research, brother. You never, me tell you if you do your research, you never revise. No, you're going to lose the test, you know. You're going to lose that test, you know. That me I tell you, you know. You're going to lose that test, yeah. That's the way me I going to tell you right now, brother. You see me on the ground, brother. You think me, alright, let's go.
I'm traumatized, I got a lot of pain on me. Tried to sell jeans, I ain't got chains on me.
Say me have a lot of pain on him. Remember the man that tell us that this is not a diss track? Alright, let's go, man.
All my friends are
Free Juggers, free D-Belly, free Blade, free DK. See it on the t-shirt, and I can't see 30 anyway.
chains on me, I'm a eye, I'm a sailor. Kindness gets taken for weakness, and that's why my feelings are secret.
We know that. When you're too kind, people take it for weakness, brother. Sometimes you have to be tough in the street, brother, like a rock stone, brother. You have to be solid as a rock, like what Sizzla Kalanchi say. You see me? You have to be solid, brother, because people take your kindness for weakness, brother. Then think say you're a pussy, brother. You're not a pussy. You're just kind, brother. You're no pussy. You're no pussy. Let's go, MoStack.
Hurts inside. Deep down, I hate that you're leaving, but you will never know I ain't speaking. Got too much pride.
Deep down, I know you. I know say you're leaving, but because I have too much pride, I never gonna stop you. Go on if you want. I mean, your MoStack, how you deal with girl? Go on. Yeah, I mean, if it's a girl, I must sing to that. That's me say go on, girl. I don't know, but let's go.
I know I got some feelings, but I just wanna hide them. I listen to my friends, I go end up just like them.
Man, I go always be man. The man I tell you say, yo, him have some feelings where him have to hide them. You see me? Because him a man, basically him a man. Man don't normally show them emotional side. You see me? Them not show them emotion because them want to be manly, but that same emotional side can eat out your inside. That's what the man tell us here in a different word. Me I tell you in a different word. Let's go, more.
Hopped off the plane, now I'm chilling near the sunset. When I'm out, I got a whole different mindset.
That check a deep again. That check a deep. Enough message tonight. Enough message tonight. At the start of the night, he didn't tell us to listen to the message, though. He did tell us to listen to the message.
Still have to talk with the violence. Broski hitting with the...
Dog, we have bust the gun, sir. We have bust the gun, sir. What to the gun? Let me see the gun there. Let me see bust the gun there again, brother. I'm going to carry up on that still.
Mindset. Still have to talk with the violence.
You don't bust a gun like that, my friend. You once you drop at the hammer one time and let it go, one at the head, one select at the head. When you go so boom and squeeze out that one there, one next one automatically going at the head. Boom. That's why it's called an automatic weapon. You go so boom, draw it back. You see me? Fire, boom, one fly out. Boom again, next one fly out. They don't have to keep pulling it back, brother. I go carry up on that. Leave me alone. I carry up on the gun thing because I'm the gun specialist. Know yourself. Let's go.
You hit him with the silencer. You try to tell the truth, but they silenced us. We gon' let it rise and apply pressure.
Because I was looking at the gun thing, I missed a couple of bars. Something important him say a while ago. I hear it.
But still have to talk with the violence. Broski hit him with the silencer. You try to tell the truth, but they silenced us.
We try to tell the truth, but them silence us. The system has fight against we. Every time we try to tell the truth, them always try to find some ways to silence we. Them always try some way, just try and put we down and try to make we words feel like say, it don't mean nothing nah reach nowhere. Now we have our own platform, we are going to put it out. We can't stop with words, brother. Words that get strong, dog. What I'm to know?
We gon' let it rise and apply pressure. Got a voice and I got to use it. Us came from...
Got a voice, brother. We have the platform. I just said it a while ago. We have the voice on the platform. But let me touch on something else. Them youth with up on the bicycle, they're very skilled. The man my wheel with no front wheel. Very skilled youth them. Very skilled youth them. I have a big no up there as well in the video, dog.
From a beef with this knife and shooting. Busy schedule, but I can't...
You say something about knife.
Got to use it. Us came from a beef with this knife and shooting. Busy schedule, but I can't fit you in.
And then just come from a beef where basically involve knife. So you don't know. Man say, yo, listen, me have a busy schedule, but me can still fit you in. So like it's a girl I'm talk to this, so still.
Yo, baby, how you doing?
Yo, baby, how you doing? Like that. Yo, the dog don't roll, brother.
Hopped off the car, then I hopped on the bike. I couldn't find no option, I circled twice. I told you do your research, so you didn't revise.
Yo, that video bad enough. That video bad, dog. But that carrier move, yeah? That carrier move. The doors are open, but there's no one in the driver's seat. Him standing up on the passenger seat. What is going on here? What is going on here? Something alright.
See me on the gram and they think I'm lost. I'm traumatized, I got a lot of pain on me. Tried to sell jeans, I ain't got chains on me.
See that? The carrier move. And there's no one in the car. What is going on here? What is going on here, bro?
Why my friends have to change on me?
Hey, crossfire, mind I shoot your friend.
Jeans, I ain't got chains on me. Why my friends have to...
Look there, crossfire, mind I shoot your friend, brother. Watch him with the gun, there, sir. Mind I shoot your friend, my fam. Mind I shoot him.
Chains on me. I'm high, I'm a sailor. I kiss her forehead before I'm heading out. You'll never know if I make it back.
Alright, that what I'm saying a while ago. Make we pull up that a while ago and hear what I'm saying a while ago.
I kiss her forehead before I'm heading out.
That are one of the most intimate kiss them you can think of. A lot of females like when they kiss them on them forehead rather than them mouth, rather than on them lip. That is very. It means something to them. It means something to them. Kiss them on them forehead, like draw them, pull them in close and kiss them on them forehead. You know, so that kiss them means something. A kiss them means something. Guys, try it if you think alike. Try it with the woman and say.
I'm high, I'm a sailor. I kiss her forehead before I'm heading out. You'll never know if I make it back.
Yeah, that's why I do it. Me give her that intimate kiss there. Cause she never know if me I come back. Me never know if me I come back. Cause it's a cold world we're living in out here. That is what the boss I tell you. MoStack, man. Sang a bad brother.
I use your boyfriend when I ain't around. Use your boyfriend. Cause someone else could be tapping that.
Even though me kiss up on your forehead, still not trust you in a girl. Who are your boyfriend when I'm not around? Cause somebody else could be tapping that. Or is it just me being paranoid? Which one is it? I don't know. Let's go.
Can't really show my love for you because these ladies, they're not loyal.
Me can't really show my love for you, you know. Me can't really show. That is once again, the barrier is up. The barrier is up because the boss has been hurt so many times. He must have the barrier, the automatic barrier up until you do something where wow him nah go put on the barrier. You see me?
Yeah. If you're the bae now, be the bae forever. Paige, I really like you. I hope you last forever.
Basically, he must sing to him, girl. Is this the girl in the video? You'll be my bae now. I'll be your bae forever.
If you're the bae now, be the bae forever. Paige, I really like you. I hope you last forever. It's about me now. Fuck the man before. And
Paige, he must sing to you, so. Me don't want to talk about Paige Batty. Me don't want to talk about Paige Batty. Me not. If this took a kind of girl, me not gonna say nothing bad, but me not gonna say nothing. Boy, him girl. Brother, you sang bad. Let's go, brother.
a nigga try touch bro, then I swang my sword. Then
You hear him say? If a nigga try touch him, girl, him I go swing him sword. Me not try talk about your baby, fam. We not try talk about your baby, fam. Your girl look good. Just know that. That's all I'm gonna say about your girl. Your girl look very good. That's it. Let's go, bro.
he told me bless, what you thank me for? I hope you do the same for me. Fuck the gangster talk.
Voila.
It's about me now, fuck the man before. A nigga try touch bro, then I swang my sword.
It's about me now. Fuck the man before. Fuck your ex. He's ex for a reason. Ex marks the pot. See me? Ex. Ex marks the spot. Fuck him. It's all about me now. If a boy touch me, I'm gonna swing my sword.
Then he told me bless, what you thank me for? I hope you do the same for me. Fuck the gangster talk. This nigga's indirect and I act like I don't care.
So basically, the ex is I hate because Paige live her best life, you know. Paige is with a star, you know. So the nigga, yeah, he's just straight up hating. In my mama man, in Jamaica we call it mama man. In my panty shield, in my watch the crutches. Don't watch Paige. Paige good, brother. Paige now watch you. Paige, you see me? Yeah.
I can't wait to catch him, I really have no fear. Popping everything if we pop out of nowhere. You're having a laugh, no dreams getting sold here.
Brother, you have a laugh or something? No dreams get sold here. Oh, I'm tear. We not buy nothing over here, so not even dreams. Go on with that, you know. Oh, you deal with boy. No, you say, fire there, boy. Let's go.
Hopped off the car, then I hopped on the bike. I couldn't find no option, I circled twice. I told you do your research and you didn't revise.
Yo, which Fatima make the video? Where is he making this video?
You see me on the gram and they think I'm lost. I'm traumatized, I got a lot of pain on me. Tried to sell jeans, I ain't got chains on me.
This is like England though. Man, boss a shot in at the windscreen to reacted. Not the camera screen. Nice effect. Which Fatima make the video though?
Oh, I'm my friends.
This is why I ask. This is why I ask right here, so because this is illegal in England for them to drive on the van back like that. But this look like it's an English license plate. The license plate is English, right? I'm sure.
Have to change on me, yeah. I'm a high, I'm a sailor. You see me in nice clothes, but that doesn't define me.
You see me in a nice clothes, you see me look nice, you see me trainers them look nice, but that not define me, brother. That not define me. Me just like take care of myself. That not define me, brother.
You know designer didn't design me. I like my girl still stuck up and grimy.
Designer never design me. No matter how much Gucci you see me with Prada, Louis, no matter where you see me with, brother, that not design me, brother. That not define me, brother. Me like my girl bad and bougie, brother. Stuck up, not chat to people. I saw me like my woman. Me not like my woman chatty and laugh like a hyena every minute. You see somebody and no, left that alone, left that Hey, know yourself, you know, girl. No matter to laugh up at people, you know. Oh.
Baby girl, be rude. Don't let him down politely. I ain't been out for years. I've been here just dancing.
Baby girl, be rude. Don't let them down politely. Be rude. If a man come ask you, hey boy, lift up. Me have my man. That's what she gonna say. Not me, obviously. Me not have no man, but that's what she gonna say. Hey, I want you. Hey boy, lift up. That's if he said, don't let him down politely, like that.
Let me ride out, bro. Please, I'm asking. Beg you, please. The way you jump out, it was rootless. The man don't even know who booted.
It's about to get violent.
Booted. Ah. Yeah.
Yo, I like the song. Nice song. Next 10 for me. No joke. Next 10 for me. At the first me I react to the boss. The first me I react to MoStack. Big up yourself, MoStack. At the first me I react to your video. To any song them. You don't know. I'm new to the scene, you know? You need to show next clip with your on page now, not the thing, brother. Cause you don't know it's a page of your be.
Free DK, free DK, free DK, free DK.
Free DK, that's the one I'm G them a lock up. Free him.
You lot have just gone and pissed me off, ain't ya? Watch what I do now.
When you go and piss me off now, watch me do now. Watch me do, you see me? Yeah. Yo, guys, if you like the reaction and the breakdown, please leave a like. Please subscribe if you're new. And it's happy to be back entertaining you guys. Because like I said, I've been off the radar because my PC was getting designed, was custom built. Custom! You know what I mean? So, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys, man. Once again. All right? Peace.